The concept of upselling is not rocket science. And this is one way that I could tell you to upsell. So, for example, earlier last week, we were, the sting cleaning is in the phase where we are in the strip and waxing season. So what did I do? We went back to all our old clients. And one thing that we have done very good at is having the text or the cell phone numbers for all our old clients. So what I did was, and it was me that did it, I reached out to all my old clients whom I provided strip and wax services for and say, hey, this is Frank from Distinct. How are you doing? We are just checking in to see if you will need strip and wax for this season. These are not clients that we have some type of reoccurring contract with. And a lot of these clients, actually almost all these clients, requested for strip and wax within this season. How do I know that? We looked at when we provided services to them. We looked at our QuickBooks invoice. We looked at when they reached out, etc. So we reached out to them with that simple message. And guess what? They didn't respond right away. But earlier this week, we received 4 texts saying that, yes, we should get strip and wax done, and all of them are booked. And all of next week, my staff will be pretty busy doing strip and wax floor. What's that? I upsold, or call it whatever you want, but I went back and asked them. Ask and it shall be given to you. A lot of us are not asking because we think we have this habit, right? We have this habit that when we sell one time, that is it. No, the client came to you because they have a problem. You solved it. Go back and see if the problem came back. Have you ever gotten sick before and, you had a headache? The doctor gave you a prescription, but at some point, did the headache come back? As long as you live, you might get sick. Does that mean that the doctor was not good because they gave you medicine and the sickness came back? It's the same way. You solved your problem at that moment in time. It doesn't mean that the problem will not come back. So it is your job to go back and ask, hey, do you need our services again? The most they could tell you is no or yes. In this case, a lot of them said yes. Next week we'll be busy, making almost $3,000 for the week. And you are there thinking you can't find client. Anyway, if all this sounds good to you, why don't you respond in the comment section saying ready, and let's see what how I can help you get to this level of making sure that you have clients for a long time and making money. See you around. See you on the side of success.